What's going on, guys? My name is Caden and this is my 2013 Subaru BRZ fitted with an LS3 in it. And in today's video, we're going to be giving my coworker Alex a ride along in it. He actually has an 800 horsepower Supra built for the track. He's been around some fast cars, so I wanted to give him a ride, get some reactions out of it. I've always wanted to do these type of videos, so if you guys like this kind of content, let me know down in the comments. I want to get as much content as I can out of the car because it's actually for sale, so before it goes, I want to make a lot of videos with it. It's a super fun car, but I got something else coming that I think you guys will like more. And also, if you want more information on the car, like build sheet, how much it costs and whatnot, I'd be happy to make a video on all the information on it. So if you guys like this kind of content, let me know in the comments. Hope you guys enjoy.
Got my camera here.
Get reactions
for YouTube.
something in the road and the V-bands on it came off, so it was just dragging. So
you took it off?
It should be quieter than this, but it's broken. So as I'm driving, if I hit a bump, the mid pipe's hanging like this.
Yeah.
So it'll just like it'll hit the ground a little bit. So if you hear that, that's why. First and second gear, useless. It just burns through it.
I can feel third. What you did third?
That was third.
Yeah, I can feel it slip in the rear.
So like third is kind of like, kind of sketchy.
Yeah.
Fourth, fucking
send it.
Yeah, fourth just goes. But yeah, it still has the heated seats. I do want to change the shifter so it's not so like obvious. Like I wish it was a little bit lower.
Well, that is fun, isn't it? I'd probably crash this thing on the track.
So yeah, I think if this were to be a track car, I would have to change out the rear end to a lot longer gearing.
Bro, you'd be all over the place on the track.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, you'd just be useless on the track.
It would be.
So unless maybe if you get a wide body kit.
With like some, yes.
Yeah, a wide body kit with the fat tires.
I would actually be scared to drive this on the track.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was talking about.
This thing moves.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Like, I knew it was gonna be fast, but like... Have you ever had this on like scales to weigh how much it weighs?
No, I haven't curb weighted it yet.